Hey, what's up? So I found some interesting footage from a past kayaking trip on my hard drive, and it was about 3 weeks ago and I had to share it. So here we go. So a few weeks ago, me and Samantha, and I know that's not proper English, but whatever, and Dixie and Craig went to Sabine Sound here in Pensacola, Florida, and we did some kayaking. We did a little lazy, like Saturday afternoon, you know, some beer, some kayaking, and we did a tour around Sabine Sound, and it was awesome, but it got a little windy, but it was still a pretty good day. So I'm guessing that you didn't bet that a Hobie could not only paddle 2 kayaks at once, it could do 4. And this is what I'm calling the Hobie Mirage à Trois and the Mirage à Quattro. I don't know what it is in French, so we'll call it the Quattro. Hey, whatever works, right? That's how it works over here, whatever works. Two kayaks at once is pretty easy to pedal, and 4 kayaks is totally doable because Samantha did just about 3/4 of Sabine Sound while drinking a beer. Just saying. That was a good one.
Quality right there.
Alright, so I just got done kayaking Sabine Sound with Dixie and Craig and Samantha. Here we go, fixing to go to Peg Leg Pete's for some oysters. Check this out. Smile, Samantha. All right. Swab it down. Catfish, oysters, grouper, nuggets, scrimps, and Oysters Rockefeller. Peg Leg Pizza is an awesome place to just pick up some oysters on the beach and just chill out and listen to some music. But overall, this was a great day. We ended up at Peg Leg Pete's, had oysters, and Samantha had her catfish like she does at all seafood restaurants. And please, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Let me know what y'all think. Ask me questions. I'm happy to answer. And I'll see you guys next time later. Say hi to the camera. Belle, say hi to the camera. Say hi to everybody. Look, Bella. Look, say hi to everybody. Say hi to the subscribers. Say hi to all the people on YouTube. Belle's not too interested in all this blogging stuff. She's over here trying to take a nap.